gamit ang oras eh, sayang.
Sana dinaksinaksak na nila Elio.
Dami pa nga ang oras na
Kinakapangan. Ay, maliit pa yung banday.
hindi naman si Lito kung saksak mga trap pa. Pero mahirap, alam mo naman pag nandito na, ang hirap niya.
Hindi mo naman nasa isip mo pero wala nung
Hindi mo naman may isip yan.
Hindi, nasa isip mo pero wala yung sa katawan mo.
Saka nasa isip mo, tumatakbo yung oras kailangan.
Hindi, aware ka dapat yun.
Michaels. Michaels.
Miss, ano number mo? Thank you, sir. Fred, magkadidikit lang ito. Barambado maglaro yan.
Dang Barambado versus Barambado. No, go ahead. Go ahead, Daniel.
Dahil boyfriend?
First round up.
Ano na? So, nasa ano ba tayo? Ano ba tayo? Ano ba tayo? Ay, hindi nga tayo. 40 days na. Ay, hindi nga naman.
Nag-gastritis na ako sa ito.
Nag-aayos tayo ka lang. Laban.
Ay, hindi talaga?
Oo, wala naman.
Kasi dito ka natin.
Tapos hindi na sa bakasyon. So, hindi nag-New York siya, tapos
Japan.
nag-Japan siya. Ano Japan muna tapos na?
Ako naman Japan. Hindi ka? Oo, baka magsabay tayo.
Sama ko. June ka ba? June?
Anniversary ng ano.
June din, June? June, July?
June, July yun. Pagkamatay ng father.
Kapasyal mo ako? Saan ka nag-stay ba?
Marikina.
Malayo din sa BGC? Bahala ko mag-stay sa BGC.
Ano ka ba?
Mag-Airbnb.
May app ka ng Grab.
Ay, meron. Nagka-grab ako dun.
From America, napagana mo?
Ano na?
Napagana mo from America?
Kasi binubuksan mo naman yung line ko dito. Hindi ako nag-isim. Nag-isim ka ba?
Hindi ako. T-Mobile ako gumagana yun.
Yeah. Ganun ginagawa. So, download mo lang yung Grab nila.
Grab. Papasok mo yung ano, parang Uber din. Papasok mo yung
Kaya papasok mo.
Grab.
Kaya. Di ba nag-stay ako sa BGC? Ano siya? Grab. Kasi yung parents ni Mali, taga-Tarid. Grab ka na.
Para lang, mura lang mag-Grab eh. Mag-Grab ka na lang kaysa mag-Grab ka lang.
Alam mo yun sa Taguig to BGC? 600 pesos. Magkano yung $10?
Kaysa magpabayad ka ng driver, mahal-mahal.
Yung nga lang yan, titignan mo lang talaga.
Secure naman ang Grab eh.
O, titignan mo lang yung picture, make
Kaysa
sure
mag-taxi ka.
Di ba parang dito sa Uber, you have to make sure yung picture nila sa yung it matches the
Taxi, lulukoy ka ng taxi.
at least yun alam mo.
Grab.
Ha?
Number
13? Hindi ka ba nakapag-grab? O may kotse ka?
Hindi na set up yung Grab ko eh.
O may kotse ka dumili nga?
Daily drive. Hindi na. Mahal ang driver na.
Sa kalala, may inom ka pa.
Pabilis pa. Maraming cellphone eh.
Yep, ang dami. Ang bilis na. Pag ano mo agad eh, nandun na agad. Hindi na ano. Pag nag-stay kami, nabala ko stay na. Doon na kami sa BTC. Parin na kami. Doon kami ng mga 2-3
Ayaw mo malapit sa airport para pagka-pauwi.
hindi kasi
Hotel malapit sa airport.
Yeah. Hindi, BTC kasi para ano yung mga bata, hindi makuha. Kasi pwede siya hindi na. BGC kasi I mean sa airport kasi medyo may mga gulo pa eh.
BGC maglabas na.
Pwede kang maglakad eh sa by the airport eh.
Second and Arman.
Second up.
Meron. Sa Marikina nga.
Sa parents mo.
Oo. May aircon. Lalagay lang kaya okay.
Ano yung mga natin na ba?
Yun. Nice deals.
Ba't hindi ka bumibili ng bahay? Kami ng condo.
Hindi ako nakabili nun. Dahil ano, hindi ko lang balak.
Ano ba naman uwi na rin? Useless na. Ang dami ng Airbnb. Yung maintenance mo sa kayong
Oh, hindi.
property tax.
Ang bilis maluma ng ano dun.
Kaya babayad ka ba condo, malaking HOA.
Oh, HOA tsaka property tax.
Ang bayad nila twice a year. Sa cost lang.
Number
Jump. Eric, watch him. Barang bago yan.
Go, Fred! Nice, Doc! Okay lang, that's good.
Dok, na-miss maglaro eh. Ha? Na-miss maglaro.
Nakapagod Pilipinas.
Oh, lain na din drag mo.
Oo. Nakapagod.
Saan siya? Sa kanya po.
Sino ito? Sino? Oo, yan. Lampas pa ng kaunti sa Clamentos. Nag-aaral eh. Sa
Binibisita niya.
East Bay.
Binibisita na. Saan ka?
Malapit sa
Doon din. Saan?
sa taas na rin siya.
Ilang ano? Hindi billion. Hindi pa rin. Pero eh, tumaas na.
Bumaba nga eh. Pero okay lang kasi ano. Yung alis eh. Tsaka fixed rate naman eh. Tapos ano, nag-down ka na kan eh. So alam mo ka pa rin. Medyo nabawasan na yung ano. Medyo nabawasan na yung down payment. Ah, shit.
Let's go! Let's go. No, that's correct. That's 3 yun. Yeah, 7 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 Ron, nung nag-free throw si Ron, nakadalawa ba? 2 for 2, 1 lang, di ba?
No, 2. You got 2.
2 for 2?
Yeah, 2 for 2.
Sugar, ayan. Parang, naniniwala ba ako sa barang-bago? Ayun sinabi ni Dino, biglang nag-quit yung player eh. Dalawa natin.
Don't listen to him.
Hey, you're not a referee, you're just a player. Hey, give him take the job, man. Give him warning, give him warning. Come on, I dare you, give him warning. Give him warning, warning. Who called timeout? Black?
Vale, 5% yan. Apuesta. Está sa defense. Está sa defense. Ano ba sa Go!
Idol, balita. Lakas mo ah.
Lakas sa una. Sa una malakas ba?
Sayang eh. Ano, panalo na. Isang 2 points. Oh, wow.
Di ba tumatalon si Benny niya pag tumalon yan?
Sipag yun. Gusto niya lagi. 5 position. Naloko ko yung jump eh.
Bingo playing old man. 1 for 3. No, rebound. Bingo again. Dindo for 3. Oh, look at that knee. That's a barong body shot.
Nakita mo yun, Dong? Nakita mo? Nakita mo yung tuhod niya? Ganun ang shot mo eh.
Nunood yan.
Ha? Titira yan, oh. Titira yan, oh. At takot, oh. Titira yan, oh. You know he can't shoot.
You know he ain't got no 3? Yeah, 3 without the knee.
Ah, nakapahinga ka na? Walang buhay daw.
Dr. Bill for 3. No, still by Billy Boy.
Kita mo yan, Dong? Sorry. Oo, si Dong hindi nagsasorry. Sinabihan pa ako, nakaharang ka kasi. Tapos sabay panoodin mo yung video. Dalawa. Time out ka?
Lumis, patay ang relo mo.
Moda pa nga. Dong. Again. Nilalabas na yung laro niya, oh. Hindi na nagsasandbag. Parang si Arda ng first season. Kaya nami-miss ka eh. Number? Ha? 9? Second shot. Second shot.
Second shot.
Hey Mike, I ain't got no 9, Mike. I don't have 9, Mike. You mean? Really? Oh, 19? No. Billy. Oh yeah, my bad. My bad. Who's 23? Ibang number dito.
Switch, can we get a sub on the
No,
table?
no. The number is wrong. Do you see? It's 11 here.
10?
Yeah, see? I changed it. It was 11. So they changed
Are they right
it.
now?
They changed it to
Are they right now? Is it right now?
it's correct.
What about the rest of them?
Yes. I'm not gonna check until you call it. Call the name.
What about
Hey, did he go in? Sino nag-free throw? Isa lang, di ba? What?
17, Arnell. Foul on Arnell.
Second on or no?
Bucky good.
Second on the reel. Yes,
I got it.
Hey, good. Hey, good one. Stay right. Hey, that's good. It's okay.
Chris, naglalaro ka pa sa DC. Naglalaro ka pa doon. Sili. Ha?
Konti lang yan.
Ayun.
Nice. Number 3-0. That's his first. Shooting 2.
Shooting 2. Edgar, 80% from the line.
Right here. Stop.
Interference.
You shot till we blow our whistle. When you do that, that's a violation of you.
All right, hey, rebound, all right? Fred, control.
One.
Oh, he didn't get the rebound. Jamil got it.
Bang, bang! Coast to coast from Dr. Bill. Follow who? Number 20, 24? Mike, 24? 8. Second on Jaime.
Hey, that's a good foul. Go, I need another player. Take a shot. No, Jaime, go over there. Jaime.
Palo kayo na.
1 point. No, 4
Jaime,
points.
help. Help, Armor, on your side.
Bilis eh.
Muntik pa kayo.
Box out, Armor.
Pasok pa naman daw, no? What's the call?
Okay. Ay, gusto 1 minute.
What's down low right now? Watch for Mill. Rebound. Hands up.
Second and 1.
Yes.
Hey, second shot, guys. Go inside. Jaime, second shot. Go inside. Jaime, going. You got the shooter, Jaime.
20-20.
You got the
In
shooter,
favor of
Jaime.
blue.
Uno pa tayo, Gini.
One.
2 for 2.
seconds? 2 seconds. Alright, 2 seconds. Two seconds. Referee official, 2 seconds.
Hey, no foul, alright? Stay with your man. Stay front. Stay front. Stay front. Get him in right now.
Laking pala.
Chamba lang yun.
Doktok takuha na.
Kala ko.
Hindi ko abuti si Jamil.
Kala ko, didiretso ka lang. Akala ko ano yung sprint eh.
Ulitin ko lang to.
Gumaan ako eh. Kumeta ako konti eh.
Ano ka na ito? Oo nga, mabilis mo dok eh.
Mga sirwitin ba? Nakapag-try ka sa Pilipinas. Hindi ka ba? Dapat ka, tumaba ka dun eh. Mainit. Saan ka tumulog? Ayun, namatay pa dun. Ako din, isang linggo. Hindi, emergency lang. Emergency lang.
Saan ba ka Jamil dyan?
Iligan. Pagal na ano. Punta ako doon yung naging ganun ko sa amin.
Wala pa.
Arman 1. Dalawa na. Arman 1.
Ano mo ba lagi ako tinatawa?
Arman and 1.
Mike. Wait.
Hindi ko sinaktan niya.
Feel it. Hey, go down.
Hold the spots.
Feel it. Yung paa mo, Doc. Tayo ba tayo?
He gonna get you in trouble. Stand there.
Bang! Utang na lakas mo kachamba.
Pwede pa
That's
pala yun.
chamba. That's illegal shot with a knee. Come on. Should be a technical.
Perimeter shot yan. Perimeter shot.
Easy. Come on, guys.
Let's play.
Third owner no. Siya lang. Arman, 60%. Make that 50. You do the same thing. Down to 50. Let's see. Alright, now it's 39.4.
Bang, bang!
Depensa, depensa. Come on.
Sino yung pass mo si Ted? Thank you. Wow!
Ganda.
Arman ba yun?
Takbong mayaman, no?
Thirteen. Turn on Arman. Yes, sir. 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 more, you're out.
One shot, can you rebound? No, can you do that?
Thirty-seven, 25, blue.
Go, guys.
Wake up, Ding Dong, wake up, coach.
Press up, press up, press up. Come on, guys.
Kala niya, tatakbo eh.
Dok, hindi makatakbo yan si Ding Dong.
Yes! Go, Luis! Go, go!
Si Ted ba ulit?
Inbound kay Ted.
Ron pala siya, Ron lang. Sorry.
Mas favorite mo si Ted, ha?
Nalinis ko lang. Para matangkad. Baba! Come on, baba! Spread! Let's go! Baba na dong!
May pagkwento pa.
Let's go! 5 minutes rule. Let's do this. It's not a timeout. Please, in and out. Let's do this. Batman and Robin sitting. And Robin is sitting. And Alfred is sitting.
Galing din to talaga.
Pero walang kay ball handle dyan, ha?
Smart! Maluwidi up! Viva! Viva! Get up! Back! Check! Shoulder, ha? Wala na shoulder. Go! Push it! 3-2! Hang it down there! Okay, right here. Yeah!
37, 22, blue.
Rebound! Yes. Elbow, let's go, elbow. Easy. One. Last time, come on, get the ball baseline. You don't need to dribble that. Shoot. Right? Good job. Pass out! Shooter! Go! 4-1! Take one!
42-34, blue.
Alright. Easy. Give it to guard.
Kick. Balik.
Watch Billy. Arnell. Hands up. Go. It's all yours. Lay up. Get it. Do it. Okay. 3-1. 2-1. That was so good. All right. Okay. Get back on top. There you go. Arnell. Get Arnell. Rebound.
No shot. Ground.
Number 30? Second and 30.
Watch the player. Face the player.
What happened? Who pushed?
1-9.
1-9. First on Kabish. Fred burning the clock. Last shot.
Hey, lapitan mo. Uwi, lapitan mo.
Yeah, he's just good.
Tignan mo yung gitna, oh.
Almost steal.
Alright. Take your time.
Yeah. Mainit naman.
Give it to ball handler. Easy.
Bang, bang.
Close the lane. He's by himself. Oh, not anymore. There you go.
Up and sub. Number, please. Number 8. Up and sub, coaches. Up and sub. Meaning, you can sub.
Jaime.
Jaime, 3 fouls.
Check.
Good hustle, Rich. Good hustle. Number. Idol, number 9. No. Sub. No, it's end one.
Arman, one.
Let's go, sir.
Yeah, it's end one.
Yeah, make sure you see yourself to the table. No something from the bench.
1, 2, 3, 4.
One shot.
Making it too easy, huh? Just too easy. Come on, guys. 10-point lead, 46-36. Blue, undefeated so far.
Timer pa kayo. 6 minutes on the clock. 48-36. Number.
It's a player who called it.
Number. What's the number? What? Oh. Never ko kayo nakita ng man-to-man. Try mo lang, try mo lang. Kailangan makita. Sumaka, try mo lang, try mo.
Foul 15.
They got it. Come on. Let's go.
Be smart.
Ano na? Kaya gusto ni Fred eh. Kaya pag minanto mama, wala na yan.
Go, 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 go! 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 He's ready for the point!
One. You sit over there, right? You're gonna get technical. You're on the other side. No, you cannot sub. Yeah. Dead ball, dead ball. You're gonna be technical. Unless you call timeout. Call timeout one.
Time out.
bring in your timeout. I mean, put in your guys. Yun! Gusto ko makita. Tignan nga.
Where's there?
Sino ang ano? Dong!
There you go, Arman.
Pantay mo siya na. Hindi, gusto ko man-to-man ngayon eh. Ngayon, man-to-man na kayo.
Sabi for Armand.
Ha?
Sabi for Armand.
16 fouls, next one. 1 and 1. It'll be running time. 1 and 1.
Go in.
Yeah, I got sub. Running time. Running clock. Running clock.
Control.
Shot clock is on.
Running clock, huh? No shooter. Stay on the shooter.
Right there, Doc. Shoot it from there. Running clock. Line up. Running clock. Delay of game. Delay of game.
You guys shoot.
Running clock. Number 1 and 1. Luis. Fred. 60% from the line. Violation, lost point.
Black ball.
Let's go.
Okay, back. No foul.
Bang, bang. Nope. Boom, boom.
One shot, Jaime. Go. One more.
Game.
Okay. Bola na nila eh.
Game na lang, idol play.
Oo. Pero may like 2 weeks break yata from playoff eh.
Bago mag-play.
Kasi wala rin.
Pero next week meron pa yun. May game next week. Playoff.
Yes.
Kachamba.
Luis, naka-apat. Ikaw ba leading?
Yan, ako mo na. Pating ko na.
Yes.